got this printer going. It's been in the works for a long time, so I can't really remember my kind of original goals for this printer. Well, dual extruder was one of them, but that's not even set up yet because I've still got the SKR Mini E3 V2, which doesn't have enough I/O, like it doesn't have the extra heater connections and the sensors and the extra stepper connection, but we've got that stepper there which has a Bowden tube going to this dual extruder here. But yeah, I'm just using one extruder at the moment, but currently got it running 10k acceleration. Got these nice NEMA 23s currently running at 1.2 amps because that's what the SKR, that's what that board can do. Max says 2.8 amps on them. I don't know if I'd ever run them that high because they're not, I don't know, that must feel like 30 degrees or something, so wouldn't want to go much higher than that because that's only a PLA mount there. But anyway, they don't need more. That's I'm not having any problems with skipping, definitely not. They got lots of torque. So running 100 millimeters per second max, which is a little annoying. I don't know why, but any higher than that I'm getting under extrusion. I don't know if it's an extruder thing, maybe not enough voltage to that extruder. I haven't been able to work it out yet, but 10k acceleration is nice. That's real nice because I can whip out little parts like this really quickly. Got 300 millimeters per second move speed there, so that's pretty cool. And obviously the CPAP fan is pretty cool. That's not wired up properly yet, just still got it on this little pot, so it's a manual control. Got to work out how to control it from 3.3 volts because it runs on 5 volts on the controller there. Yeah, I don't know, I'm really happy that I've finally got this. Basically, well, it's working, it's not done. It's working. And it's working alright. It's not my best printer, but dual extrusion is going to be really cool. And it's very rigid, so 10k acceleration, I don't think there's any artifacts. I haven't got any input shaping, but from the initial testing I can't see any artifacts, just because of the rigidity. Got a lot of belt tension there because I've got those tensioners at the back which I can adjust. So yeah, it's pretty cool.